Hello dear students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home and studying at home. Okay, because your half yearly exam are going to be start very soon. Okay, so again I am here, your maths teacher for your online classes, and what we are doing? We are doing revision. Okay, and the questions that are given in chapter 3, the exercise, that is revision time, we are doing that exercise, questions given on that exercise. So already we have done 2 questions. Now today we start with the next question. Okay, and this is a part of a revision. Okay, take it as a revision because all these questions already we have done and again we are doing. So this is our revision. Okay, revision for half yearly exam. So first of all of you take out your notebook and open your books, because the questions that we are doing today also is given in your maths book. Okay, so if you want to open your book, you can open your book also and open your notebook. Writing work we are doing, so start writing with me. While I am writing on the board, you have to copy from the board. Okay, and the same question is given in the book also. If you want to copy the question from the book, you can copy the question from book also. Okay, but answers you copy from the board. Okay, if you want to do yourself, you can solve the question yourself, but check your answers from the board. Okay, so I hope now all of you have opened your notebook. So take out new page in your notebook and write today's date. What is the date today? That you have to write here this side of in your notebook. Write today's date. What is the date today? All of you know what is the today's date? No? Yes or no? So look into the calendar. What is the date today? That you have to write here and start writing the question with me. The question that we are doing today is question number 3. In your book it is given as question number 3. So you write question number 3. And what is that question? Book page number 54. The questions that we are solving is given on page number 54. Okay, page number 54. So what is the first question? This question we have already done. We are doing today question number 5. Okay, the questions we are doing today is question number 5. I have skipped question number 4. मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 अभी नहीं करवाया है. क्यों नहीं करवाया है? We will do this question afterwards. Okay, afterwards we will do this question. So today we are doing question number 5, and the question number 5 is arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order, and I hope all of you know what is ascending order. How you arrange numbers in ascending order. How we arrange in numbers in ascending order? From smallest number to largest number. Ascending means arranging numbers from smallest to largest. छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर में arrange करना means जमाना. That is known as ascending order. So many questions. 4 questions are given. So one by one we are solving. I am solving the question on the board. And if you know how to arrange, you can do yourself also, but check your answer from the board. Then I will give you some extra questions also to do yourself. Okay, so start writing with me. First write the question. Write question number 5 and write the question. Arrange, A-R-R-A-N-G-E. Arrange in ascending. Ascending, I told you the other word of ascending also. Ascending order. Ascending order is also known as increasing order. Okay, ascending and increasing, both the words are same. Okay, the meaning of ascending and the meaning of increasing both are same. That means we have to arrange number from smaller to the biggest. Okay, so write the question fast. Arrange in ascending order. Copy the question fast from the board and copy correct spellings from the board. Okay, now copy the first question. So the numbers given there are 8. Now see what are the numbers given there. 45. Now leave one box. You can skip one box. Then write the next number 5, 6, 56. And the last number given is 2, 3, 23. So what is the first step? I told you before also. While arranging the number, first we read the number, that which numbers are given. So again, read the numbers with me. 4, 5, 45. 4, 5, 45. What is the next number? 5, 6, 56. 5, 6, 56, and the last number is 2, 3, 23. So identify the smallest number. Why we identify the smallest number? Because we are arranging the numbers in ascending order, and in ascending order we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. So first we have to write the smallest number. The smallest number between these three numbers. So the smallest number is 45, 56 and 23. Which is the smallest number? 23. Very good. Now 23 we have already written. How many numbers are left? Only 2 numbers, and these numbers are 45 and 56. Okay, the 2 remaining numbers are 45 and 56. Now identify the smallest number among these 2 numbers. The smallest number is 4, 5, 45. Very good. And the last number, the largest number that remains is 5, 6, 56. Very good. Now copy the next question and write with me fast. Try to increase your speed. Try to write fast, correct, clear. Okay. Don't use eraser again and again. Okay. Now copy the question first. Copy the question first. Now see what is our first step. Our first step is to read the numbers. So let us read the number. What are the numbers given? 6, 7, 67. 7, 6, 76. And last is 6, 4, 64. Okay. 6, 7, 67. 7, 6, 76. 6, 4, 64. Now identify the smallest number. The smallest number is 6, 4, 64. Very good. So write here 6, 4, 64. Now identify the next smallest number other than 64. Between these 2 numbers, which is the smallest number? 6, 7, 67. So write here 6, 7, 67. And the largest number that remains is 7, 6, 76. So write here 7, 6, 76. Copy from the board. Now see the next question. What are the numbers given here? 9797. The next number is 6969 and the last number is 7979. Now arrange this number in ascending order. First read the numbers. What are the three numbers given? 9797, 6969 and 7979. So identify the smallest number. The smallest number among these three numbers are 97, 69 and 79. Which is the smallest number? 6969. So write first 6969. Now how many number remains? Two numbers, 97 and 79. So the smallest number between these two numbers is 7979. So write next number 7979. And the last number that remains is the biggest number, the largest number, that is 9797. Now the last question, D. Now what are the numbers given? Question D. 88, 88, 78, 78 and 98, 98. Now first of all, read all the numbers. What are the numbers given? 88, 88, 78, 78 and the last number is 98, 98. Okay, read again what are the numbers? 88, 88, 78, 78 and last number is 98, 98. Now identify the smallest number among the three given numbers. The smallest number is, which is the smallest number? 7878. So write here 7878. Now how many number remains? Two numbers, 88 and 98. And the smallest number between the two numbers 88 and 98 is 8888. And the last number, the largest number that remains is 9898. Okay, in this way we have arranged all the numbers in ascending order, that is from ascending order to descending order. Okay. Now I will give you one question. You do yourself, try to solve the question. Okay. And write that question as E and F. Two questions I am giving. Two questions I am writing on the board and try to solve these two questions. Okay. So write the question. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Question E. Try to do yourself. Okay. And one other question that I am writing here is, Okay, solve these two questions fast. I will give you few minutes to solve the question. Okay, then we will do the next question. Okay, I hope you all have done. Now check your answer first. Read the numbers. The numbers that are given is 65, 32 and 54, and the smallest number among the three numbers are 3 to 32 is the smallest number. So first write 3 to 32. Now how many number remains? Only two numbers, 65 and 54. And the smallest number between 65 and 54 is 54. Very good. And the last number that remains, that means the largest number that remains is 65. So 32, 54 and 65. This is the correct answer. I hope all of you have written the same numbers. You have arranged the same numbers in ascending order. Now the last question. 76, 88 and 46. So what is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? The smallest number is 46. Then another smallest number will be 76. And the largest number that remains is 88. Okay. Copy it fast. Those who have not written, write fast. And try to solve yourself the questions that I give you to do yourself for your practice. Try to do yourself. Okay. Now the last question, the next question that we will do is question number 6. I hope you all have copied from the board. Those who have not copied, pause your video and then you copy it. Okay. Now the next question, that is question number 6. Question number 6. Write the question with me. First we will read the question. What is the question? So the question 6 is arrange in descending order, just opposite to the question that just now we have done. In that question we have done ascending order, that means we have arranged the numbers from smallest to the largest. Now this is descending order. And what is descending order? Arranging the numbers from largest number to the smallest number. In this question, first we write the largest number, then smallest, and at last the smallest number, सबसे छोटा number at the last, and the largest number at first. Okay. So first write the question. Arrange in ARRANGE. Arrange in descending. I told you before also the other word of descending, DESCENDING. In place of descending, where we can use the word decreasing also. Okay. The meaning of decreasing is also arranging the numbers from largest to smallest, and the descending also is from largest to smallest. So the meaning of both the numbers are same. Okay. Descending and decreasing. So here what word we are using? We are using descending order. Descending. How do we read this spelling as? DESCENDING. Descending. Okay. Now see what are the numbers given. 2 5 25, 2 6 26 and 2 3 23. I told you before also what is our first step before arranging the number. We have to read all the numbers that are given. So what are the number given? 2 5 25, 2 6 26 and 2 3 23. And in this question we are arranging numbers in descending order. That means from largest to smallest. So first identify the largest number among the three numbers. 25, 26 and 23. Which is the largest number? The largest number is 2 6 26. So first write here 2 6 26. So this number already we have written. Now the number that are remaining are 2 5 25 and 2 3 23. So again identify the largest number between the two numbers. So 25 and 23, the largest number is 25. So write here 2 5 25. Two numbers already we have written. Only the one number left, that is 2 3 23, and this is the smallest number, and write 23 at the last. Okay. Now write the next question B. Now the numbers that are given is 4 7 47, 4 6 46 and at last 6 4 64. Write the answer, question fast. Okay, first let us read all the three numbers. So the numbers are 4 7 47, 4 6 46 and 6 4 64. So identify the largest number. So the largest number between 47, 46 and 64 is 6 4 64. So write here first 6 4 64. Now how many number remains? Only two numbers, that is 47 and 46. So the largest number between 47 and 46 will be 4 7 47. So write here 4 7 47. And the smallest number that remains at last is 4 6 46. So write here 4 6 46. Now the next question, I hope you have copied A and B. Now the next question, and the numbers given there is 9 8 98, 6 8 68 and 7 8 78. Now again read all the three numbers that are given. 9 8 98, 6 8 68 and 7 8 78. Now identify the largest number. The largest number is 9 8 98. Okay, so here we have written 9 8 98. Now how many number remains? Only two numbers, and the remaining numbers are 68 and 78. 68 and 78. Now the largest number between 68 and 78 is 7 8 78. So write here 7 8 78. And the last number, the smallest number that remains is 68. So it will be written at the last. Now the last question D. Okay. write the numbers that are given. 5858, 7575 and 9590. Now read the numbers, read the given numbers. The numbers that are given: 5858, 7575 and the last number is 9595. So identify the largest number. The largest number is 9595. Very good. Now the other largest number is 7575 and the smallest number will be 5858. Okay. Okay, again I am writing 2 more extra questions here for solving. So you try to solve this question yourself. Okay. Try to solve this question yourself. Right here E. And one more question, F. Try to solve yourself. Fast. Then I will write the answer and you check your answer. Okay. This is the last question. And copy correct question from the board. Okay. Try to solve these 2 questions yourself. Okay. Now check your answers. The largest number is 62, then 52 and at last 32. I hope you all have written the correct answers. Now the last question, the greatest number, the biggest number is 9090, then 8585 and the smallest number is 5959. Okay, those who have not done, copy from the board fast. And here we completed our lecture, today's lecture, and we will continue the other questions in our next lecture. Till then, have a good day, have a nice day and study for your half-yearly exams. Bye students.